Hey people, as I'm recording this video, I'm feeling very low because simply since I just read about this uh, woman techie who committed suicide because of domestic violence, and there's a clip on Google itself, like it was uploaded of her Air Force pilot husband. It was domestic violence, and then this lady finally committed suicide. Yeah, so here domestic violence is a very real thing. I mean, I'm a single mom, so I know. I've it's no I mean Normally when I get down to making my videos, I try to be in a very happy and peppy mood, but like I feel people should raise their voice against such a thing. Otherwise it's there are so many cases that go unreported. um, I'm wondering whether to say it or not, but I've personally uh, suffered a swollen eye. My dad said we'll approach an NGO and all, but I felt that would have some very negative repercussions on my child, and so I didn't go forward with that. But imagine, I consider myself like I'm educated, I'm an author, you know, but today I see my kid. See, today being a Sunday, my kid will again be. See, that's what actually, had I approached the She team, the Hyderabad She team, my kid would have been with me today. And now that the lockdown is on, it's even from a logistics point of view, sending him to school, it's not such a big deal. We can have a class at home itself, online classes. So, I normally don't reveal things of this so personal on YouTube, but really, everybody should raise their voice against domestic violence. Otherwise, this is I can't even imagine what must be going through the family whose daughter has committed suicide. So my heartfelt condolences, and it's so difficult to continue with life when you know that such things are happening around you. So really, it's important to raise your voice and to make a video like this also, because people who do such things, justice needs to be they need to be brought to book. So really, people, so on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.